Peace be with you. Thank you very much for visiting my channel. I would like to let you know that I have a new YouTube channel. Most of my new videos are now uploaded on my new YouTube channel. So if you would like to see my videos, I really suggest that you visit my new channel and you can subscribe on that channel so that when I upload a new video on that channel, you will be able to get notification. That channel is called Laws to God's Broadcasting. Laws to God Broadcasting. You can either look under this video right now and you will see a link that will take you to my new channel, or you could just type it into YouTube. Type into YouTube Laws to God Broadcasting and you will see my channel. You can subscribe, so in that way you will be able to get my notification and get my new videos. I also have new contact information, so if you would like to contact me, here are ways you can contact me. The best way to reach me is through WhatsApp. Through WhatsApp, you can also still call me. You can call me, you can email me, you can text me. So please check out the new channel where I now upload my new videos. It's called Laws to God Broadcasting. And if you have any question, as always, you are more than welcome to contact me if you have any question regarding anything you see on my video or regarding biblical questions. Any question you may have, you're more than welcome to contact me and I will be more than happy to talk to you. Thank you again for visiting my channel. Don't forget, the new channel is called Laws to God Broadcasting. Laws to God Broadcasting. And also from there you will see my new contact information and you can call at any time. All praises to our Heavenly Father.
Thank you for your interest in this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us through WhatsApp. You can call us or send us a message. You can also email us at lawstogod@gmail.com. Check out our website at www.lawstogodskingdom.com. Download our mobile app from the Android store. Search for Laws to God app. You can also use Skype to call us. Just download Skype on your phone and search for Laws to God. If you are in South Africa and you need a congregation to worship with, give us a call. For more information that we don't have here on YouTube, please download our app and check out our website, www.lawstogodskingdom.com. Help us spread this truth by sharing this video on your social media.